Hey, this is Tyler Monroe for the Cable Tester Project for Music 112, Section 1, Audio Electronics with Professor Riley. Um, the point of this project is to see if we do have current running through a cable. We got a tip sleeve cable over here. Um, and the things we're using are a 9-volt battery, an LED light, a resistor, and these alligator clips here. To start off, I'm going to tell you how I picked this resistor. That's the only thing I calculated before the start of the video. Um, if you think about a 9-volt battery, you use Ohm's law. You got 9 volts, so that's voltage. Then an LED light can only handle 2 milliamps or 0.02 amps per, or just to light up. That's all I can handle. So if you use Ohm's law, um, the amount of resistance you need is 450 um, ohms, but because we're using LED lights, they do have voltage drops, um, and we're estimating about 2 volts being dropped out of that. So we actually need, if you plug that into the equation as 7 volts, then it's actually 350 ohms of resistance, which is why I picked this one. I don't know if you can tell, but it's orange, white, I think. Yeah, white and brown. And then there's the tolerance band, which is gold. But orange is 3, white is 9, which is 39. Brown, the third band, means multiply by 10 to the first, um, which would equal about 390, which is enough resistance to light the bulb, but not too much to make it really dim. So to start off the project, I'm just going to connect straight through from the battery through the resistor to light up the LED without testing the cable. So I'm going to just, here's the battery, there we go. And I started on the positive side, so I need to make sure I'm connecting to the positive part of the LED, which is the longer metal strand. Then I connect it back from the negative side to the negative part of the battery. And this one's not, this alligator clip's not very tight, so. And there you go. We have it lit up, connecting from the battery to the resistor to LED, and then LED back to the battery. So now we're going to try to use this setup to test the cable. Someone happened to leave these big clips on the cable when I got here. Very smart, because the alligator clips that are available aren't big enough to get around the sleeves. So it's actually a very good setup. I can connect directly to that from the smaller clips. So I'm just going to leave those like that. Okay. And so again, I'm connected from the battery to the resistor to the LED. Now I'm going to connect from the LED to the sleeve of the cable. So there's that. And from there, it's going to go all the way through the cable down to the other sleeve. So from here, I'm going to connect this sleeve to the opposite tip. I don't know if you can see it. Again, I connected from the bigger alligator clip to the sleeve. Again, it goes all the way through the cable to the other end here. which I connected to the sleeve again. I'm connecting this sleeve to the tip of the opposite side. So there's that. And then ultimately I'm going to connect the tip to the positive side of the battery, the last tip. And again, we have our lit bulb. So again, I'm going to trace the path. I'm going to adjust it so maybe we can see a little better. Oh, there's the battery. Okay. So we start here on the positive side of the battery. Or excuse me. No, that's not right. Okay, here's the positive side of the battery. This black cable here. And we're running the black cable down here, through here, to the resistor. Then we're taking the resistor, connecting it to the LED. Just that by itself will not light up. So now we're connecting the LED over here to the sleeve, the first sleeve of the cable, which is right here, from the yellow to this bigger alligator clip to the sleeve. Because there's a wire running from sleeve to sleeve, it goes all the way through, over to the sleeve over here, which again we're connecting to the bigger alligator clip. We're connecting that sleeve through this red one to the tip of this side. Okay? And that's just so the sleeve and tip are connected. And then we're taking the tip of the last side and connecting it back to the negative side of the battery. We have our lit LED bulb. So that's my project. I'm going to try to take a picture of this actually, just so you have a better view of it, and I'll throw it on the end of the project. So yeah, there's the cable. Yeah. I mean, I'm the one who put it together, and it's kind of hard for me to like visualize from the computer screen. But yeah. Here's my phone. Yeah. Now I'm going to take pictures of it slide by slide, or part by part. I don't know if that's okay. So here's first picture. Battery to resistance. Or resistor to LED. LED to the first sleeve. Then there's the connection to cable, sleeve to the tip, and then tip to the battery. Again, and my cable tester cable obviously works since it's connected, so thank you, and that's my project.